Everyone, we're picking it up right where we left off with the wing. This is a two-parter. This is part 2. So basically, I'm gonna go ahead and install the diffuser that I picked up from CARBON1.5. I'll go ahead and show it a little more in detail before I install it. But now that everything's been installed, there's dust, there's a little bit of dirt. I just want to make sure all the surfaces are nicely prepped, so that I can go ahead and install the diffuser in the back. I will need to make sure that the adhesive that's provided on the wing, it's going to go ahead and stick to a clean surface. So preparation is key, like I've said before. We got Kevin over here. He's still chilling with us over here. I got the pressure washer. I got the 2 buckets over there. I got the soap. So Kevin's going to be kind enough to help me with the montage. So basically the car has been washed. I went ahead and cleaned it up. It's been dried. Went ahead and pulled it back into the garage. As you guys can see, that's how the wing looks. And we do need something to complement that wing. So I did pick up the CARBON1.5 diffuser. I've actually seen this on a few cars. Evolve Motorsports and Dubsast, so I figured I'd give it a shot, and I did unpack it already. I did the unboxing, so I just wanted to check out the quality beforehand. And I mean, honestly, it's a great quality, great feel. It's a nice heavy weight to it. The weave on there, it's very nice. I like their stamp on there, CARBON1.5. Letting you guys know exactly what you guys are buying. So this bolts on with 1 bolt on that side and on the opposite end, and then this right here, these clips, they clip onto the under tray. So they clip on, they go in here. So these will go in there, and then we just gotta remove the 8mm that's right here. And then after that, we clean up this area really good, which I still have a little bit of water spots right there. I'll clean it up, get some alcohol, wipe it down really good, and then put the winglets. So let me get started. Alright, so I was wrong. It wasn't this screw right here. It was actually the next one over. And as you guys can see, it's a nice fitment along with the OE bracket. And this is how it's looking from this side. So I cleaned up this side already. I just gotta go ahead and wipe it down with some alcohol. I'll do the same thing with the other side. And I'll get it ready for the other pieces to the diffuser. And then, just in case you have any questions, they do actually include an installation instruction sheet with a very colorful, detailed instructions of step by step on how to install the diffuser. So again, another great diffuser. Look at this, it looks really nice. I particularly love how the weave meets right in the middle. That's very sweet. Kind of goes with the wing now. Alright, so to install this, you go ahead and you remove the 3M. You get the fitment the best that you can. I had to remove my mud flap to give me enough room because it was hitting right here, so it was messing with my fitment. So I removed my mud flap. Once I removed it, everything else just really lined up really nicely. They provide hardware. Right here you use 8mm screws, which they actually go ahead and provide you additional 8mm screws. These are just a bit longer. And as you guys can see, it really mounts nicely into the existing holes. So there will be no additional drilling. And then once we move over here, you see that nice gap over here that allows some nice cool air to flow between the exhaust and the diffuser, making sure that you guys keep that nice gloss looking shiny. That's the fitment right there. Once you line those up, you remove the 3M, you put the screws that they provided, and everything else just lines up very nicely. As you guys know, the F80's right here. We have the CARBON1.5 ready to go on this one as well. We're gonna go ahead and replace the mperformance diffuser. I've had it for a while now, so I figured it would be a good time for a switch up. I think this will really hit nicely with the CS one. So you guys can't really see it because of the shade, but this looks really good. Wow. Let's finish it up. Alright, so that completes the install for the CARBON 1.5 diffuser. I love this 3-piece diffuser, the quality, the fitment. I mean, honestly, it really goes with the whole entire build. I think this honestly just gives it a whole new dimension, a whole new look. And this is the back. So I'll go ahead and bring it around. We have the BMW mperformance mirror caps, the Auto Technic bumper trims, the mperformance splitters, the mperformance carbon fiber lip. I mean, and then we have that wing, just kind of really adds to it. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? That's diffuser just ties in everything so well. Alright guys, so don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.